Tooth Fairy.
Bandits and ready to go.
Yeah, well done, Piggy.
Oh, Silky Professor. Oh, Dr. Dunn has come on. It's night. Tea time.
Oh, you're right, Miss Penny. Well, it's a very quiet day today at St. Bear's. Unusually cold. Oh, why did I say that?
I lost one of my favorite teeth.
You swallowed a fluffy toy shit. Oh, that's terrible.
I lost one of my favorite teeth. Oh, look, it's fallen out.
Ah, I get it. One of Snora's teeth has come out.
Oh, well, we're very sorry about that, Snora, but it's only a tooth.
Oh,
Oh, and besides, you've got a whole lot more.
but we're talking about my best tooth. This tooth was my partner. We were crime fighters together, snapping at the heels of bank robbers, chewing the tires of getaway cars, chasing the bad guys.
Oh, well, perhaps your tooth just wanted to go to Fairyland.
Fairyland? Are you kidding? This is a police tooth.
Oh, come on. You must know about the Tooth Fairy. Put your tooth under the pillow before you go to sleep. Then the Tooth Fairy comes and takes it to Fairyland.
The Tooth Fairy? Really?
Oh, it's true, Snora. And then the tooth fairy leaves behind a silver coin in its place.
You mean she gives you money for your tooth?
That's right.
Oh, well, I've heard some funny stories in my time, but this one takes a dog biscuit. She comes while you're asleep, you say?
Always. But you have to believe in the Tooth Fairy, or she won't come along.
Oh, I'm really tired. I've got to take a nap now. Oh, see ya, guys.
Bye.